Now, talking again to the inclusion of consciousness into quantum mechanics rather, um, I can't help but want to look from. Have you really looked at the depths in adding that, in the way that you're adding depths of needing to search in the way of understanding the science? Because with consciousness, you then include, I would think, more of a searching within the universe, which means there's going to be progression. There's going to be move forward that you don't have control of. Perhaps because it's already been there. But look at it from that perspective that you need to be able to see exactly what does this mean, the inclusion of consciousness. It's a pretty big deal. It's a pretty big deal. So I do think I've written some notes here, so I'm just reading along, but I do also think about what has already existed with a lot of what has been included in discussion. Was it included only because the pattern was seen? Was it included only because the existence was found through some type of connection? And if so, it would help to better understand exactly what connection brought you to that, because a lot of the time, I don't think that it's about searching for that particular piece of material. It's more about happening upon it. So it's again, when you think about the inclusion of consciousness, there's a lot of expansion here for discovery. How many different conversations, how many different directions are being searched, and how do you bring together these groups to get a broader perspective on what this means for the universe, for the discovery, and what we will learn, what we are in the process of learning. Some has become learning, but it's discussed in one corner in such a way that another corner is not connected to it. So who hasn't talked to who, and how much more has already been discovered that maybe you don't need to look for? Or maybe some discoveries actually need to be thought about in a different conversation because maybe they don't have a full picture.